the CARES Act and student loans. Hi, this is Consumer Protection Attorney Bill Clanton. I've helped hundreds of consumers deal with inaccurate credit reporting, debt collection harassment, and other consumer-related matters. In this video, I'm going to discuss a part of what the CARES Act did regarding student loans. Now, the CARES Act was passed in March of 2020, and it says that student loans were frozen for repayments. That means you don't have to make your student loan payments. And the student loan servicers have to report on your credit report that your student loans were paid on time as they were regularly scheduled to be paid. Guess what? They didn't. If you've been watching my videos, that's no surprise. Furnishers, like student loan companies, often don't follow the law, often mess up credit reports, often harass people unnecessarily. It's common. Now, it's both the Department of Education and student loan servicers were reporting student loans as delinquent when they shouldn't have been. Of course, they were served with class action lawsuits. Great Lakes Higher Education, PHEAA, Fed Loans, and Navient all messed this up. Class action suits against GLHE for FCRA violations in May 2020. So they violated the Fair Credit Reporting Act by violating the CARES Act. They didn't follow the law and messed up people's credit report, so they're liable under the Fair Credit Reporting Act for their inaccurate credit reporting. There's over 40,000 misreported payments to one or more of the credit bureaus. This is a huge problem. There's trillions of dollars in student loans. I bet nearly everyone watching this has got a student loan. Check your credit report. Make sure it's being reported properly. If it's not, you may need legal help. The CARES Act has lots of protections for consumers. The student loan portion of it is just a small part of the CARES Act. Check your credit report, look it over for these kinds of errors and more. They say that 20% of credit reports have an error, that 5% of credit reports have an error significant enough to cause you to lose out on a credit opportunity or miss out on a job or have some other serious consequence. 5% doesn't sound like much, but that's 1 in 20. Think of 20 of your friends. One of y'all has a problem serious enough that's going to cause you problems in real life. So check your credit report. Tell your friends to check their credit reports. Keep an eye on this stuff because even the big players, Department of Education, PHEAA, that's Fed Loans and Navient, they make mistakes. They don't follow the law. There's nobody out there looking for you except you. Check your credit report on a regular basis. I hope you've gotten something out of watching this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and thank you for watching.